Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the channel. Today I am going to talk about Dream Int'L interim report. Do note that this is not a financial advice or a buy or sell call. All content are AI generated and is not associated with anyone. Dream International Limited offers a diverse range of businesses and services across various segments. The company's primary products include plush stuffed toys, plastic figures, dolls, dye, casting products, fabrics. In addition to product manufacturing, the company also provides dyeing and fabric products, business color boxes, and color books, printing products, market research services, support communication services. The skyrocketing Dream Int'L stock price. A year of unprecedented growth. Dream Int'L, 1,126 HK, stock price has experienced a remarkable surge over the past year, increasing by an astonishing 223.37%. This significant growth can be attributed to several key factors that have contributed to the company's success. Firstly, new client collaborations and market attention have boosted Dream Int'L's profile, drawing in capital markets. The company's reputation as a leading toy OEM manufacturer has also played a crucial role, with its main business encompassing design, development, production, and sale of popular toys such as plush toys and plastic hand models. Strong market demand, particularly in North America and Asia, has driven the company's growth. Additionally, order transfers to Vietnam have helped mitigate the impact of tariff increases. The expansion of factories in Indonesia and plans for further capacity growth are also expected to contribute to the company's continued success. Dream Int'L's positive interim results, including a 12.39% year-on-year increase in revenue and a 10.1% rise in net profit, have further boosted investor confidence. The proposed increase in dividends has also been well received by investors. Rumors of a potential partnership with PopMart have added to market optimism, driving funds into the stock. The company's diversified product portfolio and strong earnings momentum have also contributed to its success, indicating robust operational performance and improved market sentiment. Overall, Dream Int'L's stock price has skyrocketed due to a combination of new client collaborations, market attention, strong demand, factory expansion, positive interim results, speculation of a PopMart partnership, and diversified product portfolio. The primary drivers of revenue growth or decline can be summarized as follows. Revenue growth drivers. The company's revenue has grown significantly due to robust market demand in North America and Asia, particularly for plush stuffed toys and plastic figures. The shift of orders to Vietnam to mitigate tariff rises has also contributed to the growth. Additionally, customized solutions for key customers and capturing increasing demand outside China have driven revenue growth. Key drivers include robust demand from theme parks in Asia, strong demand from Asian and North American markets, expansion of product lines, with key customers, diversified production footprint, revenue decline drivers. On the other hand, the company's revenue has declined in the Chinese mainland market by 0.2%. The plastic figures segment has also seen a decline in profit, down 21.1% compared to the previous year. Key drivers of decline include decreased revenue in the Chinese mainland market, profit decline in the plastic figures segment. Net income and profit margins. A shift in trends. The financial summary reveals a mixed trend in net income and profit margins over time. Initially, the company maintained a steady net income of HK $307 million. However, it later increased by 10.1% to $307,026. In contrast, gross profit margin decreased from 24% to 20.1%, indicating a decline in profitability. On the other hand, net profit margin showed an upward trend, increasing from 11.9% to 13.4%. This suggests that despite a decrease in gross profit margin, the company's ability to manage costs and expenses led to improved net profit margins. The company is indeed generating positive operating cash flow. According to the financial summary, the net cash generated from operating activities for 2025 is a substantial $355,803. This indicates a healthy and stable financial position, allowing the company to cover its expenses and invest in future growth initiatives. The company's debt level and interest expenses have undergone significant changes in the past year. Notably, bank loans decreased by $37.5 million, minus 37.7%, from HK $62.1 million to HK $41.6 million. This reduction is reflected in the non-current liabilities, which also saw a decrease of $37.5 million, minus 37.7%. As a result, the gearing ratio improved from 2.5% at December 2024 to 1.5% at June 2025. Consequently, interest expenses have increased significantly. Interest expense on bank borrowings rose by $1.5 million, 524%, and total finance costs jumped by $2.2 million, 162%. The interest element of lease rentals paid also increased by $696,000, 68.6%, from $1 million to $1.7 million. These changes indicate a substantial shift in the company's financial position, with reduced debt levels but higher interest expenses. The company's financial performance varied across different segments and regions. Notably, Asia emerged as a strong performer, with China, Vietnam, Indonesia, and the broader Asian market all experiencing growth. The U.S. market also performed well. On the other hand, the plastic figures segment struggled, with revenue declining by $104 million from 2024 to 2025, and profit decreasing by over $71 million during the same period. Management's outlook: a bright future ahead. The company's management is optimistic about its prospects for growth, citing its strong position in key market trends. Specifically, the company is well positioned to capitalize on the increasing demand for intellectual property-driven products, sustainable goods, and flexible production solutions. This strategic positioning sets the stage for a promising future, as the company looks to leverage these trends to drive revenue and expansion. The company has a history of paying dividends to its shareholders. In fact, it has declared and paid out significant amounts in both the current year, $135,373, and during an interim period, $169,216. However, there is no record of share buybacks within the provided financial summary. That concludes the financial summary for Dream Int'L. Feel free to comment below, and I will be happy to answer them when possible.